Welcome students. So now in this session we are going to the sums as plan. Okay. So just in previous lecture we talk about the conductivity, we talk about the molar conductivity as well as resistance and cell constant. Okay. See if I will remind this, then first one, the conductivity kappa. Conductivity kappa can be denoted by G star upon R, where G star is nothing but the cell constant. Okay. If we talk about molar conductivity, then molar conductivity was nothing but the conductivity upon concentration that we have decided. Okay. So now exercise, that means our problem, that is illustrations given into the textbook, that we are going to do just now. And dear students, in this test we are taken 3.4 question of the textbook, and the question is like this: resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of the same cell filled with the 0.2 mole per liter KCl solution is 520 ohm. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.2 mole per liter KCl solution. The conductivity at 0.1 concentration is 1.29 Siemens per meter. So here, which thing we are provided, that I am going to show you first. First is written, we have given concentration, another also concentration. So it means there are two conditions we are given. Okay, so now we have to follow these two conditions. So one by one we will write these two conditions. Okay, so for that purpose we will prepare one table, and come on, check out this table. Okay, see here I have taken one table for you that might guide you well. Okay, so here is the table, data 1 and data 2, because just we have seen here two datas are given, and that's why we are carrying out with the two datas. Okay, so come on, which two datas are there? So first concentration, so first concentration have told 0.1. so first concentration I am taking 0.1 molar solution. Okay, and the concentration is given 0.02. so here I have to write 0.02, the second concentration. So first resistance at the concentration 0.1 mole, the resistance is provided nothing but the 100 ohm. See, so I have to write here ohm. Okay, so I will write here 100 ohm. So for that purpose I have removed first this. Chalo. So how many ohm? 100 ohms is there. Okay, so here when the concentration is 0.2 mole per liter KCl solution, then the resistance is 520. I have to write here 520. So I am writing here 520 ohms. So these data are given to us. Now conductivity at 0.1 is given 1.29. So here 1.29 I am writing, and conductivity of these we have to find out, as well as we have to find out here molar conductivity also. So dear students, this is our first target to do the calculation, and that I am going to do here. So hope that first data introduction you understand. So after getting this data introduction, okay, now come on, let's calculate the sum. Okay, for this calculation just we have given idea કે ભાઈ ડેટા 1 માં તમને કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન, રેઝિસ્ટન્સ અને કંડક્ટિવિટી આપી છે, જ્યારે ડેટા 2 માં તમને કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન, રેઝિસ્ટન્સ અને કંડક્ટિવિટી શોધવાની છે. નાઉ વોટ ઇઝ ધ ફોર્મ્યુલા ફોર ધ કંડક્ટિવિટી? The formula for the conductivity is nothing but the G star upon R. હવે ફર્સ્ટ કેસની અંદર જુઓ તમને આ ફર્સ્ટ કેસ ડેટાની અંદર તમને બધી વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે, આ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન આપ્યું છે, ઓકે, રેઝિસ્ટન્સ ઓલ્સો ગીવન, ઓકે, અને કંડક્ટિવિટી ઓલ્સો ગીવન. તો આ રેઝિસ્ટન્સનો ઉપયોગ કરીને, આનો ઉપયોગ કરીને અને કંડક્ટિવિટીનો ઉપયોગ કરીને વી કેન ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ which constant? Cell constant. Afterwards we will use this cell constant to find out the conductivity. You get it? So if you got this idea, then come on, let's calculate first. So here પહેલા આપણે વેલ્યુઝ પુટ કરીએ. તો વેલ્યુઝમાં આપણા પાસે જી સ્ટાર માટે કેટલી આપી છે? તો જી સ્ટારને આપણે સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવી દઈએ. તો જી સ્ટાર is equals to R into conductivity. Okay, so R into conductivity. Now conductivity symbol શું છે? conductivity નો કપ્પા છે. So that's why I will put here. So this is our first step to do so. Okay, how we will do? So now we will put the value R dot kappa. So what is the value of R? R ની value આપી છે 100 અને પેલી વેલ્યુ આપી છે 1.29. So what will be the answer? Okay, tell me what will be the answer of this. 1290 will be the answer. But here most important part of the unit, and there you can see the unit. Okay, mole per liter, ohm છે આનો યુનિટ. ઓકે, અને આનો યુનિટ કોનો કંડક્ટિવિટીનો યુનિટ સિમેન પર મીટર છે. એટલે ધીઝ આન્સર જે પણ તમારો આન્સર આવશે એ કયા યુનિટમાં હશે? તો ગેસ કોન્સ્ટન્ટને આપણે જે યુનિટમાં માપીએ છીએ તે યુનિટમાં એનો તો સેન્ટીમીટર મીટર ઇન્વર્સ આવશે આલ્લો. ઓકે, તો મીટર, કારણ કે અહીંયા મીટર છે એટલે મીટર ઇન્વર્સમાં આન્સર આવે છે. સો ધીઝ મીટર ઇન્વર્સ આન્સર યુ હેવ ટુ કન્વર્ટ ઇન્ટુ ધ centimeter. So how will you convert into centimeter? So divided by 1000. So direct I am writing this કે 1 divided by 1000 એટલે 1.29 અને અહીંયા centimeter કરી દઈશ. Okay, so that will be better idea for us. So now next topic માં આપણે શું find કરવાનું છે? Now we are going to find out the molar conductivity lambda n. And that lambda n is nothing. But before to that, here see meter is given and we are taking centimeter ma. So first we have to conversion જે concentration અહીંયા 0.02 મોલ આપેલું છે એને આપણે મીટર ઇન્વર્સ માં કન્વર્ટ કરવું પડશે. See dear students, this conversion it is important. Here we are given all the mole per liter. Okay, so first we have to convert that into the mole per meter cube, because we are given unit meter cube માં અને centimeter cube માં unit આપેલા છે જો. So that's why first we have to convert that. So that's why I am going to do this. So formula છે concentration multiply by 1000. So what is the concentration here? Concentration is 0.02 multiply by કેટલા કરીશું આપણે? 1000. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 20. What will be the answer? 20. And what will be the unit now? Mole per meter minus 3. So this is our unit for the next calculation. So hope that you understand mole per meter units. Now we are going to calculate the molar conductivity, and the formula for the molar conductivity is lambda m is equals to kappa by c. Okay, now what is your idea about the kappa? But before to that we have to find out kappa for 0.02. This conductivity is given. This is conductivity as you are correct કે આ conductivity આપી છે, but this conductivity is given for the mode number 1. આ તો conductivity 1 માટે આપી છે, આપણે 2 માટે find કરવાનું. So this conductivity should be first find out, and that's why we are taking formula.